So what we want to do is use Excel to create a McKinsey report from a set of data. I need to visualize the insights, the explanation about the components. So what we are going to do first is to reference the explanation from the highest rated to the lowest rated. I'm going to create our chart. First thing I'm going to do is bring over the labels that I need for the chart. OK, I'll copy this one here. So, I'm going to reference the cell, drag this down. For the bars, I'm going to use the REPT function. This is the repeat function in Excel. In quotation, the text that I want to repeat is this symbol. I want to repeat it this many times. Close the bracket, ampersand. We're going to connect it with another symbol, and before I add a quotation, I'm going to add a space. Quotation and number. Enter. Send this down. That's it, pretty much done. But we want to make this look even better, so let's add a border to this. To add a border to this, I'm going to go with this light grey, so I can customise as I desire. So first of all, the repeat function returns a value. That value is text, just like any text. You can adjust the font colour of the text, and this way you can get different coloured bars. You can also adjust the size of the bars. So if you don't have a lot of space in your report, you want these bars to be shorter, just make the font size smaller. Another way you can tweak the style of your bars is by adjusting the font type. Take a look at this. When I hover over these other fonts, my bars change. So you can create so many different variations just by changing the font type. Some other variations of this. So I used the dash symbol here. You can use any symbol of your choice. You can get creative, you can use emojis, whatever you want. It can be just as simple as using a dot. I'm just going to remove this symbol here. I'll leave the space, and when I press enter, you get this type of chart. You can also use cell references for your symbol. I say, if you don't want it, type it in inside quotation. Just put it somewhere on your Excel sheet, and then just reference it. To be able to copy it down, I would have to fix it. But just to show you how it looks, use the F4 key. You can press Ctrl plus Enter, and let's just copy this down and fill with that formatting. OK, so now you're going to get a bar chart, but inside your cells. Now we can also change the colour of these bars by changing the font colour. And these are a bit too bulky, so let's adjust the font size. There are so many ways you can get creative here. That's it today.